Today we've got the wooden boy himself. Martin is back at Fixima to install some brand new architraves and a oak wooden door. First up, we're going to measure our tall pieces of oak, which is 2.10 metres, and our small bits of oak timber, which is 100 millimetres. Then measure up our doorway, which is 762 millimetres. Now we will be leaving a gap at either side of our door for our door frame, which will be 3 millimetres, because our door frame is actually 20 millimetres. Now onto the fun stuff, as Martin drills all our door frame together before placing it in, ensuring it is straight and squared off. After our last few measurements, we can mark up before drilling our framework. Some good old PU adhesive at the ready. So let's tape up that door frame ready for the adhesive. And we then slowly squirt the adhesive into the gap of the door frame and the wall. And then it's onto the jig to start cutting out those grooves for our hinges. Drill some last few holes in there and then cut out the grooves in the door. And then we tightly secure our hinges by screwing them down, and then we can get our natural oak door. We then screw that onto the tight framework, leaving the door safe and secure. When that's set, we then move on to our architrave. And as you can see here, Martin slowly measuring up, getting that grab adhesive on there, nailing it to the wall, and then we can have the top of the fixture and then the left hand side of the fixture. And then we clean up our holes with some wood filler, leaving it nice and slick. Moving on now as we drill the holes for our door handle. After all our holes are drilled, we can take our fixture and put it in, secure that down, and screw in that door handle. Just make sure our lock there fits into the groove, so then we can start cutting out our holes for that lock. When that's all fitted, we can then look at our door handle in all of its glory until we then move on finally to our door stops. We can tidy up some of the holes then with our wood filler, and look at that finish. For all of our materials, please visit www.fixima.co.uk.